A book review of the reincarnation of Abraham Lincoln and the yoga of Abraham Lincoln. The reincarnation of Abraham Lincoln explores historic evidence of life after death. The book chronicles the life of a president and the surveillance of Charles Lindbergh. A fascinating historical perspective. The book goes on to chronicle the path of Lincoln before and after the slain president's funeral in Washington, D.C. Thought-provoking and historical, the books examine the Lincoln-Lindbergh connection, as the two men were not friends, but in fact competitors at odds. I think of the strength President Lincoln could have had without these competitors. I think of the importance of surrounding yourself with friends and not enemies. Finally, I think of the importance of historic preservation for a president. The book asks the question, what would President Lincoln have done after his presidency if not for this constant analysis? I don't know the answer to that question. However, I do know that President Lincoln was an intelligent, humble man worthy of being president. President Lincoln spoke of unity and eventually turned to mediation, thus eliminating the concept of war in his mind. Hail to the chief President Abraham Lincoln. The Yoga of Abraham Lincoln focuses on the life of the president born in Illinois in 1809. Was the president's policies formulated from India's value system? Maybe. How was the Emancipation Proclamation written? These are topics covered in this book, The Yoga of Abraham Lincoln. The book covers these topics and a lifestyle most people dream of in terms of intellectual wealth and the freedom of the mind and true American values. Don't forget, this value system was developed during the time of the Great Melting Pot in America, when citizens and immigrants turned United States citizens lived together in peace and harmony. It was a time of intellectual freedom and an intellectual lifestyle and freedom of mind that people flocked to and sought in America. This book review examines the reincarnation of Abraham Lincoln and the yoga of Abraham Lincoln, as it shows a path to greatness of a president. A must-read for any history buff. Honest Abe shows us a path to greatness and is one of those great people.